One of the best free AI tools for generating images and videos has changed completely, and a lot of creators are now struggling to find a good alternative. But after testing different workflows, I found a setup that solves the problem. If you follow this process from start to finish, you won't need to keep switching between different AI tools every week. With this workflow, you can generate text, research, images, horizontal videos, and vertical videos without paying for expensive subscriptions. I'll also show you a simple and completely legal way to download your generated videos without the usual issues. If you're serious about creating AI content and growing on YouTube, this workflow is definitely worth learning. AI tools change very quickly, and new features are released almost every week. That's why it's important to stay updated with the latest workflows instead of relying on old methods. If you want to keep creating high-quality AI content and stay ahead of other creators, make sure you're always using the newest tools available. Previously, we used Meta AI to generate videos directly, but things have changed. If you open Meta AI now, you'll notice that the video generation option is no longer available. Instead, you'll only see community creations and the image generation section. Meta has improved its image generation model, and it creates impressive AI images, but the built-in video generation feature that many creators relied on is no longer there. So if your goal is creating AI videos, we need a different approach. The good news is that Meta AI is still extremely useful. Instead of using it to generate videos directly, we'll use its powerful language model to create high-quality prompts. Simply describe the type of video you want and ask Meta AI to improve or rewrite your prompt until you're satisfied with the final result. Spending a little extra time refining your prompt here usually leads to much better AI videos later. Once your prompt is ready, open Vibes.ai, which is Meta's new platform for generating AI videos. Many people think this platform only supports vertical videos, but there's actually a workflow that also lets you create horizontal content. I'll also leave all the tools and resources I'm using linked in the description so you can easily follow along. Inside Vibes.ai, click New to create a new project. This opens the video generation workspace where everything starts. Simply copy the prompt you created with Meta AI and paste it into the prompt box. Before generating the video, check the resolution settings and choose a higher quality option so your final result looks sharper. After that, click Generate and let the AI create your video. The quality of the generated videos is surprisingly good. The visuals look clean, the motion feels natural, and the overall output is much better than many free AI video tools. However, there's still one limitation. By default, the videos are generated in a vertical format, which isn't ideal if you're creating long-form YouTube content. But don't worry, because in the next step, I'll show you how to generate proper 16 horizontal AI videos while keeping the same high quality. Now let's solve the biggest problem with Vibes.ai. By default, it generates videos in a vertical format, which isn't ideal if you're creating long-form YouTube content. The easiest way to fix this is by using Meta AI to generate a horizontal reference image first, then using that image inside Vibes.ai as the starting frame. Go back to Meta AI and open a new chat. This time, instead of asking for a video, ask it to generate an image using your prompt. The important part is adding 16 at the end of your prompt. That tells Meta AI to generate a horizontal image. If you don't mention an aspect ratio, or if you use 9:16, it'll create a vertical image instead. Since we're creating YouTube videos, always use 16:9 for this workflow. Once the image is generated, don't download it immediately. Meta AI gives you a few editing tools that can be really useful. For example, if there's a specific part of the image you want to change, you can simply select that area and ask Meta AI to regenerate only that section instead of recreating the entire image. This makes it much easier to fine-tune your starting frame while keeping everything else unchanged. After you're happy with the result, download the image using the download button in the top right corner. One of the biggest advantages of generating your image with Meta AI is that it downloads without any watermark, giving you a clean reference image that's ready to use. Now head back to Vibes.ai and open the Generate Video section. In the Start Frame option, upload the horizontal image you just created in Meta AI. Even if the preview initially looks vertical, don't worry. Once you generate the video, Vibes.ai correctly uses the uploaded 16:9 image and preserves the horizontal format. After uploading the start frame, simply paste your video prompt, review your settings, and click Generate. Within a few moments, your AI video will be ready. Since the generation is based on the horizontal reference image, the final result is much better suited for YouTube while still maintaining the same realistic quality. One feature I really like inside Vibes.ai is Auto Extend. Instead of generating an entirely new video, this option automatically takes the final frame of your existing clip and continues the animation naturally. With just a few clicks, you can extend your video from a few seconds to 15, 20, or even 30 seconds while maintaining smooth motion. This is a great feature if you're creating longer AI videos without having to regenerate everything from scratch. So at this point, we have high quality horizontal AI videos, unlimited generations, and an easy way to extend our clips whenever we need longer content. But there's still one issue we need to solve before this workflow becomes complete. In the next part, I'll show you how to download your videos properly, maintain character consistency, and use a few additional features inside Vibes.ai that make creating AI content much easier. Now that our videos are ready, there's one more thing you should know before downloading them. If you download them normally, you may notice an issue with the exported file that can become frustrating, especially if you're creating content regularly. Fortunately, there's a simple way to get a clean version directly from the platform, and it only takes a few seconds. Go to the video you generated, but don't open it. Stay on the project preview page instead. Right-click on the video preview and open the browser's inspection option. Once the panel appears, select the element picker tool and click on the video preview. The correct section will automatically be highlighted in the developer panel. Open that highlighted section, copy the video source, paste it into a new browser tab, and open it. You'll now see the clean version of your generated video, and from there you can download it normally without the issue found in the default download. Once you do it once, the entire process becomes very quick. While testing Vibes.ai further, I also found a few features that make creating AI videos much easier, especially if you're planning to upload consistently on YouTube. One of the most useful features is ingredients. Instead of generating a completely different character every time, you can upload your own character or choose one from the built-in library. The library already includes a large collection of characters, and once you select one, the platform keeps using the same character throughout future generations, giving your videos much better consistency. You can also upload a scene reference as an ingredient. This is useful if you want to maintain not only the same character, but also the same environment, lighting, or overall visual style across multiple videos. Instead of recreating everything from scratch every time, Vibes.ai uses your references to keep the entire project visually consistent, which is especially useful if you're building a series for your YouTube channel. After generating multiple clips, you can move over to the timeline section. This is where you combine all of your AI-generated videos into one final project. Inside the timeline, you can arrange your clips, trim them, add subtitles, include background music, or insert extra audio before exporting the final video. Having these editing tools built into the platform makes the workflow much faster because you don't always need to switch to another editor for basic adjustments. One thing you might notice is that depending on your region or server traffic, the platform may occasionally show a temporary generation limit when it's under heavy load. However, after testing it extensively and generating a large number of videos, I didn't experience any major restrictions or permanent limits. Most of the time, the platform continues working normally, making it a reliable option for creating AI videos consistently. At this point, we have everything we need to create complete AI videos, from generating prompts and creating horizontal videos to maintaining consistent characters, editing inside the timeline, and exporting clean final results. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe because I regularly share the latest AI tools, free AI workflows, and YouTube growth strategies that help creators make better content with less effort. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.